Hi, my name is Dr. Julie Hinkle, and I want to introduce you to the NUT1 course, or Nursing Informatics. In this course, you will learn about the use of technologies to better gather and use information to improve patient care. As you probably already know through your clinical courses or your clinical practice, technology and the use of information is critical to good patient care. The best way to ensure your success in this course of study is to go through this course of study carefully and plan out your time well. This course can take up to 8 weeks to complete. There are 2 tasks in this course, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the learning resources, talk a little bit about those 2 tasks, and then I want to show you our nursing learning community. So when you're in the NUT1 Nursing Informatics course, you'll see an introduction to the course that tells you a little bit about the course. And then you can see this Preparing for Success button that'll show you a way to help you get through the learning resources to help you learn this material well so you can become competent at the material. You can also look and review the terms so you understand what we're talking about when we use abbreviations or phrases like EMR or CMS. And that can be found in this section. And this talks about the importance of computer technology to help you understand the importance and relevance to your practice. Whenever you're finished going through the course of study, you go to the final steps where you follow the links so you can do your 2 tasks. There are 2 tasks again. The first task is going to be a PowerPoint presentation, and the second task will be a paper. If you don't know how to use PowerPoint, I have some resources in our learning community that can help you with that, and you can always email or call me to ask me questions about that. But in the PowerPoint presentation, you're going to be going through and talking about electronic health records and helping figure out implementation of electronic health record. And in the paper, you're going to be comparing 2 different computerized management systems. And if you don't know what electronic health record is or computerized management system is, you'll find out all about that in this course of study and in the learning community. And let me show you the learning community here real quick. This is the front page of the learning community, and you can see this is me right here in the turquoise jacket. And if you go through this learning community, you can find out a whole lot about what other people have said about the different tasks in this course. And that's all here. And I check this very frequently, so I'll respond to people when they write down anything into the discussion board. Then you can also email me. And then also in the documents sections, there's some really helpful information to help you better learn what each task is about. So if you go into the Documents tab, there's hints for Task 1 and Task 2. There's links to all sorts of cool information that has to do with informatics here. And then there's more facts about Task 1 and Task 2. And then general stuff like about PowerPoint presentations and so on. And this gives you lots of information about how to be successful in this course. Now, of course, you can always contact me. I can be reached through email at julie.hinkle@wgu.edu or at extension 5372. I look forward to meeting all of you and helping you along your journey through nursing informatics. And have a good one. Bye.